we go. Cruising in our 2018 Jeep Renegade four-wheel drive that we just lifted and modified. Brand new all-terrain tires. And again, like I said, if these pixels are flickering at all, that is not the case. It's just the way that the camera picks up these pixels. Set the cruise. It's just a nice, smooth riding car. Fobs, four-wheel drive. If you didn't watch the last video, this was a trade-in on a Wrangler that we sold over the summer. We had it here. We just threw on a 2-inch rough country lift. We threw on some 235 60/17 or 65/17 all-terrain tires. We threw on the roof rack crossbars and black grill inserts. Really gave this Jeep a nice look, an aggressive stance, leveled it out. This would be a perfect first car, or just a nice little economical commuter with its 4-cylinder engine. It's smooth and quiet. I'm saying the same thing over and over, but this is Ted selling this vehicle here at Dirty Habit Offroad. You're welcome to swing by anytime, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. You can take a look, take it for a test drive. Has only 116,000 original miles, clean title. Again, no issues. With the lift, we just did the state inspection. We also had the vehicle aligned. Very smooth. All your power options work, all your windows go down, your locks work, both key fobs work, your power mirrors work, four-wheel drive works. There's no lights on the dash, no check engine lights, no issues. Mechanically sound. Again, we've gone through this vehicle, we found no issues. If you have any questions or would like to purchase this vehicle, my name's Ted, again with Dirty Habit Offroad. Office lines 252-491-4900. My cell phone number, you can call or text me directly, is 804-852-4907.